Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my baby sister is going to be rating my fidgets. Say hi! So let's go ahead and get started. So first, rate my DNA ball. DNA ball! Do you like it? Looks like she likes it. So that's good. Now next item, she's going to test out my octopus poppet. Do you like it? Yeah. Alright. So she likes my octopus poppet. Now she's going to test out my plastic poppet. I don't think she's tested this out before. So she's going to be testing out my plastic poppet. Do you like it? Your hair is a mess. You like it? Yes or no? Yeah. Yes, okay. Now she wants to test out this poppet. Okay. Not yet, not yet. Okay, okay. Do you like it? Okay. Yes or no? Yeah. Last but not least, a mochi. Do you like it? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Looks like she had some fun today. Like, subscribe, and share if you want me to do another video where my sister tests out my fidgets. Say bye.
Bye. How about this one?
It's okay. We'll do that next time, okay?
Okay.
Bye. See you later, guys.